Gotta bring the kids out. This is their first time outdoors, outside of a plastic tote. They're in one now, because that's why I bring them out in. But gotta bring Star and Belle out and let them roam around a little bit. It's beautiful here today. Made it to the 60s anyway, and the sun's really warm. Hey, they say the sun and UV rays help kill the coronavirus instantly on contact, so that can't be a bad thing. Here. I'm definitely not bored having to stay home with all these snakes, so, yep. Hey, you got Belle lassoed there. Hey, go Belle. Let me have Belle. There you go. There you go. Belle's got blue eyes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You stay on the blanket. The ground's still a little chilly. Belle's got blue eyes today, don't you? Huh. You got pretty blue eyes. You gonna go hang out with Star? I'm shedding, Mom. They love the outdoors. I do too. First decent day we've had. I don't know if you're gonna like the grass over there, Star. It's pretty chilly. Come back over here, pretty girl. Stay here with Belle. There you go. Nope, I'm not shedding. I'm on my way. Come back here. You stay on the towel. No, you stay here. Stay here. The ground's kind of chilly still. I don't want you getting sick. No, you stay here with Belle. Isn't she pretty? Beautiful girl. Those blue eyes. You sneaky. You sneaky snake. There you are. Sneaky snake. I can't see anything, it's so bright out in the day, but don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. Star, let me run Belle over. Why are you not nice? Get her, Belle. Here. I'm gonna run her over again. Yep. Two awesome investments. I love them to death. Beautiful snakes. Star, you stay over here. What did I say? Stay here. No, you stay here. Poor Belle. She just running all over you. Stay here. Poor Star. I mean Belle. Okay, I'll let you roam for a little while. But you gotta come this way where I'm at, so I can find you. There you go. Where are you going? You coming over here? Sorry, Belle. She just ran you over again, huh? They love being outdoors. Belle would be enjoying it if she wasn't in the shed, but she's okay. Won't hurt her. The sun's good for her. Their skin and bones. Sun's good for them. Yep. Actually, natural sunlight UV is much better for your snakes than artificial UV. That's why I had 5 huge windows put in my new snake room addition. Because then they're set so they're up high, so the sun beams down every one of them and hits every enclosure up my snake room early in the day and late in the afternoon. So it's set up perfect for them. You're gonna leave anyway, huh? Get back over here. Hey, Belle. Look at those pretty blue eyes. Look at those pretty blue eyes. Hey, Mama. You determined to go over on that side. What's over there? Come here. How about here? Put you in here. Now what? Now what? Two of my favorite genetics ball pythons are the pied and the... Actually, I love the spider ball pythons too. Rastus is shedding too, or I'd bring him out. My spider. He's calmed down a lot with his twitchy behavior since I've been working with him, and when he starts getting spazzy, I put my hand on him and comfort him, and he calms right down. He stops doing it. So you can help him with that wobble and neurological problem that they have if you invest some time with them. Belle's just loving the sunshine, huh? Look at you. I'm just enjoying the sun. You think you're going to get away? No, you're not. You're staying over here, baby. No, you're staying over here. No, no. No, 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 no. You stay over here. See? Thank you. Belle's just absorbing the sunshine. It does feel good. Where are you going? You are hard-headed. Snakes are so hard-headed. They get their mind set on something. There's nothing you can do to distract them for very long. They'll go right back to what they were trying to do every time. Loving that sunshine, huh? Say, yep. Sure am. Oh, Belle's moving a little bit now. Belle's moving a little bit. That Belle. Oops. You've got some pretty blue eyes, Belle. Is that your friend Star? There you go. You got a lot of energy. You remind me of my corn snakes. They never stop moving. Just run right over Belle again. She should be used to it. You do it to her all the time. No. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're going to stay up here. Yeah, stay up here. Belle's moving now. Now you quit running her over. There she goes. There goes Belle. She's long. These are going to be big snakes when it's over with. They're both eating rat fuzzies. I love them all. I've never seen that one snake. Nope, we aren't ugly. Not at all. People are ugly. People act ugly too, actually. There you go. Belle's moving now. I don't know if my camera's catching her or not, but it should be. There. Don't run her over this time. She finally came out of her coil to roam around. Now you're going to go over there and scare her again. Oh, you stop running over Belle. There you go. There you go. Star just very rude, huh, Belle?